Default design settings templates. You can customize your design options, such as font, lighting, lot size, and more, and save them as a template. This template will be applied to any new design files created. Customize your design options, such as font, lighting, lot size, and more. To save them as template, go to Design menu, Options, New Design Templates. Click on the Create New Template to create a new template. Choose the template name and click OK. To update or delete an existing template, go to Design menu, Options, New Design Templates. Click to select the template you want to update or delete. Click on Update or Delete Template button and press OK. Thanks for watching.